English coffee time. Words to use instead of very. Very rich. Wealthy. Very rich. Wealthy. Very crowded. Bustling. Very crowded. Bustling. Very cold. Freezing. Very cold. Freezing. Very creative. Innovative. Very creative. Innovative. Very dry. Parched. Very dry. Parched. Very heavy. Burdened. Very heavy. Burdened. Very clean. Spotless. Very clean. Spotless. Very willing. Eager. Very willing. Eager. Very high. Soaring. Very high. Soaring. Very fierce. Relentless. Very fierce. Relentless. Very beautiful. Exquisite. Very beautiful. Exquisite. Very eager. Keen. Very eager. Keen. Very dear. Cherished. Very dear. Cherished. Very sad. Sorrowful. Very sad. Sorrowful. Very accurate. Exact. Very accurate. Exact. Very afraid. Terrified. Very afraid. Terrified. Very clever. Brilliant. Very clever. Brilliant. Very angry. Furious. Very angry. Furious. Very jolly. Carefree. Very jolly. Carefree. Very serious. Grave. Very serious. Grave. Very loud. Deafening. Very loud. Deafening. Very special. Exceptional. Very special. Exceptional. Very dangerous. Threatening. Very dangerous. Threatening. Very ugly. Hideous. Very ugly. Hideous. Very difficult. Challenging. Very difficult. Challenging. Thank you for watching.